Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. Thank you so much for being here. Now I have a very quick video today because I am going to introduce some of the alternative spellings of the consonant. Alright, we know that the basic foundational sounds are letters of the alphabet, which are A to Z. Today we're going to talk about some of the consonants and what are their alternatives. Okay, now we have letter L, letter F, letter Z, and letter S. Now, one L makes a sound L for leg or leg, leg. Alright? Now we have two L's makes also the sound L. Alright? For example, the word, I'm going to show you, hold on a minute. Now, this one also makes a sound L. For instance, the word well. I don't know if you can see it. Well. Well, well, or bell, bell. Now, you have to explain to your children or to your students that one L makes a sound two L's also make the sound all right? Again, the second one, letter Z makes a sound Z for zebra. Two Z's also make the sound Z. Okay? For example, the word buzz. Again, z, buzz. Alright? Or z, fuzz. Alright? Or is, fizz. One Z make the sound Z. Two Z's make the sound Z. Next, one S makes a sound S. Two S or S's. Is it S's? Yes, S's. Two S's makes a sound S as well. One S, it, sit. And the other one, g, grass, grass. Alright? And now, last one is letter F, makes a sound F for fish, ish, fish. And the other one, two F's, also makes a sound F. Alright? Sniff, sniff. Alright? Now what I usually do is I put a little bit of picture over here. I hope you can see them. Well, well. Buzz, buzz, like a bee. Grass, grass. Like that. I hope like it's clear for you guys. I'm not really really good at drawing. Sniff, sniff, like a nose. That's my nose, right? I hope you get the reference. Now, I always make it sure that when I introduce these sounds, I always put them in one grapheme. Okay, grapheme is like this. One L makes a sound U. Two L's makes a sound U. I put them in one, basically a rectangle. Alright? And then I put leg. And here is bell. There you go. I'm not sure if it's clear. Leg, bell. So I basically highlights the line and here over here, the dot over here. Alright? Now, if you notice as well, why am I putting line instead of a dot? Now that is very, very important because these are what we call diagraphs already. Two letters, one sound. Okay? Now, you don't put dot, dot because if you're doing the decoding exercise, you're not going to say some of the textbooks, they would do this. They will have two dots. Dot, dot. That wouldn't make any sense, wouldn't it? Right? It doesn't make any sense if you say sniff, sniff. So the kids, when they're doing decoding, they will say sniff. We don't say sniff. We say sniff, sniff, sniff. Right? Four sounds. Sniff, sniff. Okay? So make sure the line here symbolizes that it is a digraph sound. Alright? A digraph sound. Dot symbolizes that they are single sounds. Okay? Now, there are more alternative consonants like letter N, double N, or double M's. But these are the easiest ones to introduce because they're the ending of each each word. All right? Okay, that will be all for today. I hope they're very, very clear, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you, and don't forget to put your thumbs up over there again. And have a good night, and look at some of the videos that we had previously, just a recap. Bye!